Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to generate the random numbers based on the user input range. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the terminal to check the output of our generate random numbers output. First, the command is Python. I'm adding my file name, generate random number dot py, enter. Notice here, enter the number of random numbers to display. I want to display 6 random numbers. Starting value is I'm adding 5 and ending value is 20. So now I'm expecting the range between 5 and 20 up to 6 random numbers, and every second I want to display. See here, 11, 8, 5, 19, 6, 12.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which I have created on my desktop. This is a folder name. Select the folder. And here we got the Python tutorials folder is added to our Visual VS Explorer. Now first we need to add a new file called generate random numbers.py, and here we got newly created file. First we need to import the random class. After that I'm adding the time. The time here I'm adding every second I want to display the different random numbers based on the user input range. So first let's declare one variable x is equals to, I am typecasting, which is the integer type. After that input method takes the integer value, enter the number of random numbers to display is equals to, and after that this one is the start value, start val integer, enter the start value, wait to start value, copy this one, paste here, enter the end value, and after that the code is for I in the range method. The range I am adding 0. The starting value is 0 to I'm adding x here. The range is, suppose if I enter 5 here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that I want to display. And print, now I want to print the random numbers here. Random dot rand int method. In this rand int method takes the variables, two variables it will take, the start value comma and the end value. That's it. Now time dot sleep method, every 1 second, one is for 1 second. Here time dot sleep takes the seconds as a parameter. That's it. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, terminal. And here we got the terminal to check the output of our generate random numbers output. First, the command is Python. I'm adding my file name, generate random number dot py, enter. Notice here, enter the number of random numbers to display. I want to display 6 random numbers. Starting value is I'm adding 5 and ending value is 20. So now I'm expecting the range between 5 and 20 up to 6 random numbers, and every second I want to display. See here, 11, 8, 5, 19, 6, 12. And here we got the output of the random numbers is displaying 6. The number of random numbers is 6. Here's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 to 6. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to display random numbers based on the user input starting value and ending value. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.